very special good morning to you guys. It is the day after Father's Day, and we haven't leftovers from yesterday. You also in our last vlog, we all made dal puri from scratch, and it was a hit. So I think from now on we'll make our own dal puri. How's the food? You know they say the day after the food tastes better.
After it tastes better.
Is that true?
Yep.
That how it tasted? Lovely. Once again, I would love to say very, very special thank you going out to Power Up Coconut Water for sponsoring the coconut water yesterday. We still have a lot. It tasted so very good. And just that sweet random act of kindness, sell me. I think that was so very sweet of you guys. So big up to Amrita and her team for sponsoring us with the coconut water yesterday. We still have a lot. I'm gonna share it up with my sisters. I don't know if they want. Y'all want? Yeah. So yes, you all were asking. They can be found at DB Junction. They sell the 2-liter bottles, 3 for 100, and they can also be found at Super Farm, all Super Farm locations. So check them out. Coconut water is life. It is another hot day. Now having some apples here with salt and pepper sauce. You all ever heard about apple chow? It's like one of the best chows ever. So we're gonna add some plum and pumpsite and make a chow. We also have to pick some soursop leaves, lemongrass leaves, and what is the other one? Saijan, to make tea. That's why you're vexed? Because it has no plum in the tree? It have, but it's young. Really? Look one! Wow! Look at there, look how little bunch here. Let's see again. Sale at 200 pumpsy tailor.
It has no pumpsy in the other street.
Sarah spot. Yeah. A nice little bunch.
Just put down the whole branch.
No.
The whole stem.
Oh yeah. One. Two. How it is? A little salt and pepper.
I love that green.
And you're good to go. Mommy gonna make. We have a little dal rice and aloo choka. What is your favorite choka?
Favorite choker?
Yours.
I don't have a favorite choker.
My.
No, I don't have a favorite choker for real.
I thought it was bygone.
Oh, like that? I thought you mean to eat it like rice and dal.
Oh.
Smoker.
Smoker and not choka. So we talking about between tomatoes, bygone, aloo, eddos. That's the chokers I know, right?
Bye.
What is your favorite? My least favorite is bygone choka. Like I will pass that straight. I don't like bygone. That sounds wrong, but you know what I mean. If I eat in bygone, it will be bygone and aloo. Fry, not curry. But my favorite choka is aloo choka. And second might be Edo's. I like Edo's sugar too. Then tomatoes sugar. I'm gonna find out from these people what is their favorite choker. Guys, we have a little dal rice and aloo choker up on the stove. So, question of the day, what is your favorite choker? Excuse my hair.
Yeah. I don't like any choker.
Understood. What's your favorite choker?
Choker?
Yeah, like bygone, tomatoes, aloo, Edo's.
Like a choker. Alright. I probably eat the tomatoes, but fried plantain is my best.
Plantain is not choker. But plantain is his favorite food. Hear this as we on the plantain topic. Please don't dislike what I am about to say. It is my opinion. I am probably the only person in the world who will ever say this. I don't like fried plantain.
Mad.
Sir, you like fried plantain? She mad. Ma, Sarah never eat fried plantain? You're a liar.
I don't like any choker.
I believe that. Big up to the essential worker. How was work? It was a hard day. Guess what? You're getting dal rice and aloo choker. And as we have it here, the question of the day is, what is your favorite choker? Bygone choker. And Amos, do you like fried plantain?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think I'm the only person who don't like it. Save wells. Water. It's up to not up.
Looking like shrimp.
So this is mommy's shortcut to making aloo choker.
Version.
A shortcut version. Because right now everybody pressed for time. And Mr. Pepper have to go in last. Nice, I'm back and shit to go. Look at stuff you pack. Okay, my turn to pack food.
To make aloo pie? How fast you boil up the aloo pie?
Look at mommy lemongrass plants, and I'm going to take some. There's so much you're taking.
Go back.
You're not leaving any for her.
Yes, yes. So you go this?
I'll do a video with how I'm making it, right? If you all want to see that, let me know. Also, I want to get some Saigon leaves and some soursop leaves, please. You all know I'm trying to be a little bit more on the healthy side. Seraphine. Come on. I just need to pick some leaves here and head on down the road. You know that is cooked Saigon, right?
Yeah.
It's like sticks. I guess I'll give mommy some too. This is the one that have to dry? So much you picking?
Yeah,
That's enough.
We're not dry that from the line of thing.
Okay, but that's enough.
Take some one when it's dry. Good thing.
No, this is enough. But this, we could share this.
When not dry, that come in small.
Okay.
What are you supposed to do with it?
Make tea. You breaking off this stuff. You sure?
Yeah, I think in this thing like small enough.
Alright, brother. Look at leaves and some soursop leaves. I don't. Say, which is the soursop tree? Yeah.
Yeah, you run, yeah.
We'll boil some for sale. Mom, we pick for you too, so you will dry them and boil them and drink them.
Why is it fair?
Yes, sir, I don't
Who see
know.
this and he say, let me just boil this.
Because I think, honestly, this is my opinion, again, long time, people were so smart. Like, think about it. How do you know to boil all these things and drink it for certain body ailments? I have so many questions to ask, but we will do that in another vlog. Like, they're so smart. Okay, so this is my vlog here. Excited to try this, you know, and take a bunch. You need more than me. No, but he picked this for you because it's high. I'm not putting plenty because I don't want it to affect it.
Come back next time you would have.
This could cut you in.
It have a kind of reason.
So that's curious and boil. So you can have pot and boil it.
Oh, so you boil it, tie up, so? Okay.
All these leaves.
Will you do it?
I wish somebody could do it for me. I would drink it. That's it about. What's so cute how they wrap it like a present?
Like a
Present.
a dry sage.
Yeah.
Alright, mommy turn. Mommy wanna try the lemongrass. You sure this gonna go back?
Yeah, this one, I'm sure.
We will see.
First time we do. I still have one in the fridge when I already finished.
Wrap up like that?
Yeah.
So this we're gonna come back and see 2 in the fridge.
No. Okay, well, imagine how the younger person is there. So what I'm doing, I join it, boiling it.
Sure. Yeah, you boil it. You get sweeten it. Yeah, sure, you can drink it.
It tastes good. It might taste
I hear
good.
so.
It'll be fresh and
I hear so.
So this is the setup here.
All these leaves
Yeah, true.
have medical purposes. You like herbal.
The medicine doctors, the herbalists. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I know it was a bit short, but sweet. If you all were wondering where all your favorite guy is, he's sleeping because he had a time yesterday for Father's Day. He really enjoyed himself. So, with that being said, I'm going to close off the vlog now. Thank you all so much for watching. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And be sure to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Seraphine's here behind me. Stay safe. Have a wonderful week ahead. Wear your mask, sanitize your hands. And we will see you all in our next video. If you look to the back there, you will see Wave. He now wake up. What's the time? You had a good time yesterday, right?
3 p.m.
Wonderful. So he now reviving. It's 3 o'clock and he now walk out the room. Yes.
What is snake plant is doing?
It's just a name for the plant, but I taken it to put in your room.
But it's just for decoration.
Yeah, it's actually one of the best air purifying plants for indoors.
So what are you doing outdoor?
It's not supposed to be outdoors. It's supposed to be in a room or inside or
Maybe that's what I need for my room.
Put it in your room.
Because I always
You need to do a redecorating.
Yeah, we'll get a new one.
Decorate?
Yeah.
Yes.
It just looks too...
No, we really have to redecorate.
Yeah, it is confusing.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Stay safe. Wear your mask, sanitize your hands. Have a wonderful week ahead, and we will see you all in our next video. Bye.